friends, welcome to my channel Born to Learn. Today we are going to learn about Introduction to Arithmetic Progressions. Introduction to Arithmetic Progressions. In earlier classes, you might have come across various patterns of numbers. These patterns are generally known as sequences. In this chapter, we intend to study a particular type of sequences which are known as arithmetic progressions. Sequences. A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. The various numbers occurring in a sequence are called its terms. We denote the terms of a sequence by a1, a2, a3, etc. or x1, x2, x3, etc. Here, the subscripts denote the positions of the terms. First number or the number at first place is called its first term of the sequence and is denoted by a1. The number at the second place is called the second term and it is denoted by a2, and so on. In general, the number at the nth term place is called the nth term of the sequence and it is denoted by a power n. The nth term is also called the general term of the sequence. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on is a sequence whose first term is 2, a1 equal to 2, second term is 4, a2 equal to 4, third term is 6, a3 equal to 6, fourth term is 8, a4 equal to 8. We have seen that a sequence can be described by listing its first few terms till the rule for writing down the other terms becomes clear. Now we will see some examples for the arithmetic progressions. Example 1. Write the first three terms in each of the following sequences defined by the following. First one, an equal to 2n plus 5. We need to find first three terms. They are a1, a2, a3. They given that an equal to 2n plus 5. So we have to find three terms, that n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. Putting n equal to 1 in first equation, we get a1 equal to, we have to take n's place equal to 1. The value of n equal to 1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 5. 2 into 1 equal to 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Putting n equal to 2 in equation 1, a2 equal to 2 into 2 plus 5. 2 into 2 equal to 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Putting n equal to 3 in equation 1, a3 equal to 2 of 3 plus 5. 2 into 3 equal to 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Hence, first three terms are 7, 9 and 11. Second one. What is the 18th term of the sequence defined by an equal to n of n minus 3 by n plus 4? They gave that we should find 18th term of the sequence. So we should keep n equal to 18. A power n equal to n of n minus 3 by n plus 4. A18 equal to 18 into 18 minus 3 by 18 plus 4. 18 into 18 minus 3 equal to 15. 18 into 15 by 18 plus 4. 18 into 15 equal to 270 by 22. It gives that 135 by 11. Thus, 18th term of the sequence is 135 by 11. Third one. Let the sequence can be defined as follows. a1 equal to 1. an equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than 2. Find first 5 terms and write corresponding series. They given that a1 equal to 1. So we have to find 5 terms. So we start from a2 and we use the formula an equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than 2. We should substitute n equal to 2 in that formula. a2 equal to a2 minus 1 plus 2. a2 equal to a2 minus 1 is a1 plus 2. a1 equal to, they gave that a1 equal to 1. in the question. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Putting n equal to 3 in first equation, a3 equal to a3 minus 1 plus 2, a3 equal to a2 plus 2, a2 equal to 3. Now only we get that answer a2 equal to 3. So we write the a2 equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Putting n equal to 4 in first equation, a4 equal to a4 minus 1 plus 2, a4 equal to a3 plus 2, a3 we get a3 equal to 5. So 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Putting n equal to 5 in equation 1, a5 equal to a5 minus 1 plus 2, a5 equal to a4 plus 2. We get a4 equal to 7. So 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So we get the 5 terms. They are 3, 5, 7, 9 and a1 equal to 1. They only give that. So after you see all the examples, I think you understand very well. That's all for today.